Hey guys, so today's video I thought I would do a what's in my makeup bag because recently I got a bunch of new stuff and I don't think I've done a what's in my makeup bag. Like I've done a favorites video, but this is like real life what is in my makeup bag. So yeah, it's just this black bag. It literally got dirty last night because while I was sleeping I woke up and Emily had my makeup everywhere. She got into my bag and now it's hella dirty, but however, she's 2, so I yelled at her and moved past it. So this is what it looks like. It's actually not even a makeup bag, you guys. Like right here, the zip, it freaking says men's getaway travel kit. When we went on vacation, this had like Juan's toothbrush, razor and stuff in it, and I just liked the bag, so I kept it. But yeah, I'll just grab out one thing at a time. So this is usually what I do first. It's the Boscia Revitalizing Gel, black gel right here. I like to put this on first, and then I like let it sit for like while I get everything ready or while I like change my clothes or something. And then I got this beauty sponge. It's just a Sephora beauty sponge. I need a new one. It's dirty. It's getting worn out. And then I have 3 foundations. I don't wear 3 foundations at one time, but I have this HOURGLASS foundation stick here. It's super creamy and I love using it, but it's not a long lasting. For the price of it, it doesn't last very long. This is like not even like a whole work day. It's just like when you're getting ready before you go out at night, and it looks really good and it's a full coverage. And then this one, this is MAC Studio Fix Fluid. This is not new at all. I'm pretty sure most people have tried it. I love it. I'm NC20, and then on this one I'm Warm Ivory, but this, I love it. It lasts so long. It's a all-day full coverage foundation for me, and yeah, so I like to use that if I feel like I need full coverage and then, you know, I'm doing my makeup during the day. And then this one is a new one I got. It's the Benefit Hello Happy, the Soft Blur foundation. I'm in shade 3, and this, it's not full coverage. It's a light to medium coverage, you guys, but it feels so good on the skin. It's very lightweight, super easy to blend out. It's like a watery formula. It's like a liquid to powder feel, kind of like the Bare Minerals. I would compare it to the Bare Minerals, their dropper foundation. I don't know exactly what it's called, but this doesn't have that pink undertone color like that other one does. It has more of a yellow undertone, so that's why I actually really love it. This has become my new favorite. Perfect every day. It's so lightweight, I feel like this is already empty, but I know it's not. And then I have this concealer from Milk Makeup. It's their Flex Concealer. This is actually, it has become my favorite concealer. It doesn't really do, it's not the best concealer. I'm not gonna say it's the best concealer, but it's the best feeling concealer. And I like to use these on days that I don't really want to wear makeup. So I'll just, you know, cover my redness, and then I'll just blend it out, maybe put a little bronzer on top of it, and then that's it. Like the days that I don't really want to wear anything, that's what I use. And then I'm currently using the Too Faced Chocolate Bronzer here. I don't know, it just smells good. I don't think it's amazing, but yeah, that's what I'm using for bronzer. And then for my eyes, I don't have anything on today, but this is something I just got recently, and it's just the mini Flirt palette. It just, oh shit, Emmy fucked it up. Like I said, Emmy literally went through my makeup last night and I just threw it back in my bag. So I have a toddler She did this at like 3 in the morning. I didn't even look at it. So this is like real life. Like I'm showing you my legit makeup bag right now. You guys, I throw away so much makeup because Emily ruins everything. And like my sister has a heart attack every time. But so I just have these. This is the only 2 brushes I have in my bag right now because I don't know where the other ones went. I use this for my bronzer in here, and then this is like my only eye brush that I have right now in my bag. And then eyelash curler, nothing fancy. I think I just got it at Walmart. And then this is the Sephora's Retractable eyeliner. It sucks. It's waterproof, so I thought it wouldn't smudge, but this just, it never it's like it never sets. So when I wore this, you guys, literally like it was just and it's hot. It's like 100 degrees lately, so this just literally smudged all over my face, so I don't really like it. I'd rather just use the Revlon one, but yeah, I just bought it to try it. But oh, excuse me, but the Sephora's the liquid liner, the classic line Stylographic eyeliner, this one, it's a whatever. Well, it's their liquid liner. I actually really do like this one. I'll probably get this again, but I won't get the other one again. But it's not like amazing, and it's the only one I'll ever use. It was just a good one. I just thought I'd give it something else a different try. This brow Stylist Shape and Fill, it's from L'Oreal. I've just had it in my bag for a long time. I used to use this. I haven't been using it for the past couple weeks because I got this. So this right here is what I normally used, but now I switched to the Precisely My Brow Pencil from Benefit. See if I can get to focus. Yeah, well, this is my new favorite. I feel like it's super easy to use. I actually like this way better than Anastasia, the brow pencil from Anastasia. So this is my new favorite. I'll probably keep buying it until I decide to try something else. But yeah, so I have this, and then Emily last night, she freaking effed up my mascara. I had a Marc Jacobs mascara, but I ended up throwing it away while I was grabbing all my stuff. So I just used this today. It's the Better Than Sex, Too Faced Better Than Sex. I don't really like this one. This one, it feels like it, throughout the day it flakes in my eye, so I don't really like it. And then the lips I'm actually using today, it's the Rosy Lip Kit from Kylie Cosmetics. And that is, oh, and then I have a tweezer, like a little mini tweezer. And that's literally all that's inside my makeup bag right now. So that was all for today's video, you guys. If you haven't already, please go and subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And I will see you in my next video.